Hey friends, it's Sarah from TheStyleBlog, and today is my birthday! Hooray! And I was thinking, what do I want to film for my birthday? And I thought, I want a cute updo, like half updo, casual sort of updo for my birthday. So I thought I would just film a hair tutorial of, it's like a half updo braided top knot. It's super cute. It works on everyone, whether you have short hair, medium hair, long hair, straight, curly, wavy hair. It will work for you. So let's get started. First things first, what you're gonna need for this tutorial is hair bands and bobby pins for sure. I'm also going to use a little bit of hairspray and some texturizing powder, but those are optional, of course. So disclaimer, I normally use those clear, stretchy hair ties. However, we just moved and I can't find anything. Don't you hate that? When you move, you're like, it's in this box, and then it's not in any of the boxes you've checked. So I'm just gonna use these regular hair ties, which is totally fine. We're gonna tuck them all in and it's no problem. But if you do have those clear, little stretchy ones, they'll work better. Okay, so first I'm gonna put a little bit of texturizing powder in my hair. I'm just using this Big Sexy Hair powder play. Sorry if you see all this stuff flying around. It's just a little powder from this. Whew. That is messy. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my hair here and sprinkle a little bit. Whew, okay. This is good at creating a lot of volume and texture. So I'm gonna spread this all in. Okay, perfect. So now I'm gonna take my hair, I'm gonna take my fingers right by my temples, between the tops of my ears and my temples here, and just separate my hair, going all the way back until my fingers meet at the top of my head here. I'm just gonna separate this on out. Okay, perfect. So, it doesn't matter if this is a little bit messy because we're gonna kind of pull it out and make it textured and messy anyway. So now I'm just gonna put this top section up in a hair tie. Okay, perfect. Kind of want the hair tie to sit on top of my head here. So just scrunch it up like that. Perfect. And then I'm gonna pull some of this out to where it's nice and textured and sort of messy looking. I don't want my hair all slicked back. If you do, go for it. Okay, so your little mini ponytail should kind of be sitting on top of your head like this. So you're gonna wanna take it and split it into 3 equal sections. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and once you have your 3 sections, feel free to put a hair tie on the end of them if you wanna keep them separate. But you're just going to braid this, super simple. So you're gonna take one side over the middle, then you're gonna take the other side over the middle again, this one over the middle, and this one over the middle. So see how we're getting a nice braid going there? Just continue that all the way down. Okay, we're gonna pause for a second so I can readjust so you can see me better. Okay, since I've done so much of it already, I'm gonna bring it down to the side of my head so I can braid it a little bit easier. It's kind of a workout to hold your arms above your head braiding for that long. Maybe I just don't have very strong arms. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna keep taking one side over the middle, then the other side over the middle, and just keep going. You wanna get all of your hair braided, even to the very end. If pieces start sticking out of your braid, it's fine, not a big deal. We will pin those in later. Okay, so look at this lovely braid we've got here. I'm gonna put another hair tie on the very end. See, these hair ties are pretty big. They're not ideal, but we'll work with them for today. Okay, now what I want you to do, make sure your pony is still sitting on top of your head, and I want you to kind of pull the pieces apart a little bit, just so that there's a little more volume to our braid. It's a little bit wider, chunkier. Just start pulling the pieces apart. Don't worry if you get stray hair sticking out, because we will fix those later. Okay, so you notice how I got my braid to be a little bit thicker here. And if you need to put some texturizing spray or powder in it, you do it. Okay guys, so before we start wrapping our braid all the way around our pony here to make a bun, first thing I'm going to do is make sure your pony's still sitting right on top of your head here. I'm going to double over my braid right here just to give me a little bit of height to my bun. Then I'm going to start wrapping my braid around, and then wherever your end ends up, you're just going to pin that in to your bun with a bobby pin. Super simple. And then guys, just play with it until you get the texture and volume you like out of your bun. If you need to spray it, if you need to apply some more of this texturizing powder, do it. And guys, voila, that was super easy. You could just do a messy top knot, but I think this kind of looks a little bit more polished and put together and cute. I don't know, I like braids. I think they look really cute. So let's look at this whole look put together. Okay guys, voila, this looks great. This looks super cute and I'm super happy with this birthday look. And at the very end, you may want to pull little pieces forward here from your bang area so that you can have a little bit of texture and it's not just like slick straight to your head. Unless you're going for that look, in that case, go for it. All right, so here's a close-up of my braided top knot bun. Guys, I'm super happy with this look. Thank you so much for tuning in and helping me look my best on my big day. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already because I have new videos twice a week. So I will see you guys later this week for another video and I can't wait to see you then. All right, bye guys. Hope you have a great week.